Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. In case if your device is laggy, you're trying to do something, you touch your screen but it doesn't just respond, you press buttons and it reacts in no way. So what you can do about it, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down for about 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be laggy anymore. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.